Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Irando Firmansyah, and I will review about the journal with the title is Exploring Students' Learning Strategies in Speaking Performance. The first is abstract. The article titled Exploring Student Learning Strategies in Speaking Performance aims to investigate the learning strategies used by a student in speaking performance. The author of the article are Ahmad Well, Muhammad Nur Asal Asnul, and Ibrahim, who are affiliated with different universities in Indonesia. The article was published in the International Journal of Language Education, Volume 2, Issue 1 in 2018. The abstract provides a brief overview of the article's purpose and main focus. It states that the article aims to explore the learning strategies used by students in speaking performance. The author's names and affiliation are also mentioned in the abstract. The abstract also includes the DOI number of the article, which is a unique identifier that helps readers locate the article online. Overall, the abstract provides a clear and concise summary of the article's main focus and objectives. It gives readers a good idea of what to expect from the article and helps them decide whether it is relevant to their research interests. The second is introduction. The introduction of the article provides a comprehensive and well-structured overview of the research content, objective, and significance. It begins by highlighting the importance of learning strategies in developing students' speaking skill, emphasizing the need for strategies to build motivation and independence of learning English object. This sets a clear context for the study, addressing a significant issue in language learning and providing a strong rationale for the research. The introduction effectively addressed the lack of confidence among university-level English students in speaking English, despite being enrolled in English department, and attributes this to a lack of exposure and practice in English object. This observation adds depth to the discussion and underscores the relevance of the study in addressing real challenges faced by students. Furthermore, this introduction sets the stage for the specific focus of the research by stating the objective and exploring the learning strategies used by third semester English department students at a private university in Sorong, Indonesia. This clear articulation of the research scope help reader understand the specific context and population under study. Additionally, this introduction references previous research by Kamala in 2014 on dependent learning strategies used by senior high students, providing a broader context for the current study and demonstrating the scholarly foundation of the research. Overall, this introduction effectively outlines the research context, the significance of the study, and the specific objective, providing a strong foundation for the subsequent exploration of learning strategies in speaking performance in effectively engage the reader and sets the stage for the research that follows. And the third is methods. The method section in the article Exploring Student Learning Strategies in Speaking Performance provides a detailed and well-structured explanation of the research design, setting, participant, and data collection methods. The research design, the authors clearly state the research employed a descriptive qualitative design to explore the strategies employed by students in speaking performance, the factor influencing students' learning strategies, and the roles of the lecturer in enhancing student speaking performance. This choice of research design is appropriate to the study's objective and aligned with the qualitative nature of the research. Setting and participant. The article specifies that the research was conducted in the third semester of the English department of the University of Muhammadiyah Sorong, providing a clear understanding for the study setting. The participants were student for this department. An article provides details about the number of participants and the classes of which they were selected. This information helps readers understand the sample size and specific population under study. Data collection method. The authors employed multiple data collection techniques, including document-based data and interview-based data. The use of journals distributed to students after each speaking class, along with the interview guidelines, demonstrate a systematic approach to data collection. The article also explained the purpose of each data collection method, such as using journal to gather information on learning strategies and conducting interview to explore the factors influencing student learning strategies and the roles of the lecturer in speaking performance. The method section effectively outlines the research design, setting, participant, and data collection methods, providing a clear, comprehensive understanding of how the study was conducted. It demonstrates a rigorous approach to data collection and analysis aligning with the quantitative nature of the research. And fourth is findings. The finding section of the article presents a detailed analysis of the data collection on the learning strategies employed by students in enhancing their speaking performance. The section begins by presenting the primary strategies most frequently used by the student, including memory strategies, metacognitive strategies, social strategies, and affective strategies. The article provides specific details about the frequency and types of strategies used, offering a clear picture of the students' learning approaches. The author also provides a comprehensive analysis of each strategy, highlighting the specific techniques and approach used by the student. For example, the article notes that students frequently use imagery and visual connection in their learning, demonstrating of use of memory strategies. Similarly, the author note of students tend to plan, organize, and set goals for their learning, indicating of use of metacognitive strategies. The section also provides a detailed analysis of the factors influencing student learning strategies, such as psychological factors and roles of teacher, test characteristics, and social factors. The author offers specific examples of how these factors impact learning strategies, such as the influence of anxiety on a memory strategies and the role of feedback in enhancing social strategies. Overall, the finding section provides a comprehensive analysis of learning strategies employed by students in enhancing their speaking performance. Author offers specific details about the frequency and types of strategies used, as well as a nuanced understanding of the factors influencing these strategies. This analysis providing a strong foundation for subsequent discussion of the result and contributes to a deeper understanding learning strategies in speaking performance. The fifth is discussion. The discussion section of the article offers a true analysis of the findings, linking them to relevant theoretical frameworks and providing insightful interpretation. The section begins by connecting the identified learning strategies to Oxford's theory of learning strategies. providing the theoretical basics for the observed patterns. The author offers a detailed analysis of each strategy, highlighting the specific technique approach used by students. The analysis provides a nuanced understanding of the learning strategies employed by students in enhancing their speaking performance. The discussion also delves into the factors influencing student learning strategies, such as psychological factor, role of the teacher, task characteristic, and student factor. The author offers specific example of how these factors impact learning strategies, such as the influence of anxiety on memory strategies and the role of feedback in enhancing social strategies. This comprehensive exploration of influencing factors adds depth of the discussion and provides a nuanced understanding of the broader context in which learning strategies operate. Furthermore, the discussion addresses the role of lecturer in enhancing student speaking performance, drawing insight from the questionnaire-based data collection from the participant. The author offers specific examples of how lecturer can support students' learning strategies, such as providing feedback, creating a supportive learning environment, and encouraging students to use variety of strategies. This analysis provides practical insight for education and contributes to a deeper understanding of the roles of educator in supporting student speaking performance. Overall, the discussion section offers a true analysis of the findings, linking them to relevant theoretical frameworks and providing insightful interpretation. An author offers a nuanced understanding of the learning strategies employed by students, the factor influencing these strategies, and the roles of educators in supporting student speaking performance. This analysis provides a strong foundation for future research and contributes to deeper understanding of learning strategies in speaking performance. And the last is conclusion. Based on the first objective of the research was to identify the strategies employed by students in enhancing their speaking performance. The researcher concludes that the primary strategies most frequently used by the student were memory strategies in their vocal performance. The student commonly use imagery and visual connection in their learning. The second strategies used by the student were metacognitive strategies. The students tend to plan, organize, and set the goals of their learning. The third strategies used by the student were social strategies. In these strategies, the student asks for clarification from their friends, lecturer, and family. The second objective was to find out the factor influence student learning strategies in enhancing their speaking performance. The researcher concluded that the factor influenced student learning strategies were a factor of psychology or learning themselves. This factor influenced students' learning strategies. The second was the factor of the teacher. Teacher also plays an important role in enhancing student speaking performance. Moreover, the third objective was to uncover the roles the lecturer does in enhancing student speaking performance. The researchers conclude that the first lecturer roles in enhancing student speaking performance was a feedback provider. The lecturer most frequently used to be feedback provider to help students in enhancing their speaking performance. The second role of the lecturer in enhancing student speaking performance was a participant. The lecturer also participates directly to help students enhancing their speaking performance. So, that is my review about the journal. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.